Let's talk about sets and subsets. Equal sets are sets that have exactly the same elements. They do not have to be written exactly the same way. For example, all of these sets are equal. All of them contain exactly the elements 1, 2, and 3. In spite of the fact that this last set has the elements 1 and 3 each listed twice, it still has no elements that are not in the other sets, and it doesn't lack any of the elements that are in the other two sets. It contains the elements 1, 2, and 3. Equivalent sets are any sets that have the same number of elements. Now recall, this is the cardinal number of an element. If the number of elements in set A is the same as the number of elements in set B, then A and B are equivalent. Even though set A may contain numbers and set B contain letters. It doesn't have to be the same elements. It doesn't have to be the same type of elements. It simply has to be the same number of elements to be equivalent. So these two sets would have what they call a one-to-one correspondence. Each element in set A could be matched up with an element in set B, a different element in each case. A subset of a set is a set that has only elements from the original set. A proper subset would be a subset which is not actually equal to the original set, meaning it would have to have at least one element less than the original set. The empty set or null set is considered to be a subset of every set. If set A contains the elements 1, 2, and 3, then the subsets of A would be the empty set, the set of 1, the set containing just the 2, the one containing just the 3, a set containing any 2 of the elements, so 1 and 2, or 2 and 3, or 1 and 3, and the set of 1, 2, and 3. Out of all these subsets, everything except the last one are proper subsets. A proper subset is any subset which is not actually equal to the original set. The total number of subsets of any set, which will include the null set and the equal set, the set itself, is 2 raised to the power of n, where n is the number of elements in the set. In other words, in this particular problem, we'll notice that n of A is equal to 3. So the number of subsets is 2 raised to the 3rd, which is equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2. This will conclude this lesson. I hope that it was helpful, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.